watch Batman v Superman, Dawn of Justice. It was amazing, guys. This is my Batman v Superman watch. This is what I wore tonight. I wore that, and I also wore this to the premiere. I'll be wearing Batman's, this little, it's like a Smallville jacket almost. Got it from Walmart. And I wore that during the premiere with this shirt right here. Thank you, Jen. Thanks. Yeah, I had a blast, man. I had a blast. That's why I'm just kind of, that's why I'm still up at 6:30. And plus, I've been drinking a lot of these. This is my, yeah, this is my limited edition Dr. Pepper. Here's the limited edition. This is the Dr. Pepper Cherry, limited edition 3 of 5. If I drop this right now, it would literally drop on top of my laptop. So I've been drinking Wonder Woman's Cherry all night. Thanks, Wonder Woman. And yeah, I'm still up. Still up. Oh man. Woo! Yeah, we're still up, man. Just talking. Just talking about right here. Talking about the Batman versus Superman, Dawn of Justice. What can we say? I didn't get a chance to talk about Doomsday. Let's go ahead and do that. Number one, if you watched The Dark Knight Returns before watching this movie, I'm guessing that you were disappointed. One thing I kept hearing about The Dark Knight Returns, because I haven't watched it, I will watch it very soon. Matter of fact, let me check. Yes, very soon. Yes, very soon, man. If you watched that prior to watching Batman v Superman: Dawn of Justice, you were disappointed because the sniper rifle wasn't used in the same capacity. From what I'm understanding, people keep trying to ruin the damn movie for me. I can never have anything, nothing sacred anymore because everybody wants to spoil it for me. No one cares about me. But if you did watch that and you were disappointed, why? Why? Was it because the Comic-Con situation where they read the little insert, the little caption, and then they didn't do it? They didn't fully commit? I don't know, man. Maybe we'll get it later on. Maybe we'll get that situation later on. Superman's dead now. You know, how do I feel? Superman's dead! Took Superman, they gave him back, and then they killed him. Oh, Wonder Woman, never leave me. Never leave me, Wonder Woman. Oh. So, Doomsday. We were talking about Doomsday, right? Yeah. I thought it was good. I thought it was terrifying. I thought it was one of the best, like, villains ever. I watched The Death of Superman on that what is it, Superman versus Doomsday DC animated film. And Doomsday kills Superman. And then Superman does return. So I think that's where we're at right now. Superman died, and then he returned with Superman Returns. Superman Returns was supposed to have a sequel called Man of Steel. We got Man of Steel in 2013, which was supposed to be the Man of Steel after Superman Returns. But Superman Returns, Man of Steel was canceled. Therefore, Man of Steel 2013, we're now in the Superman Returns atmosphere situation sequel. Do you see what I'm saying? So, Batman v Superman was supposed to be Man of Steel 2, which would have been Superman Returns, but now Batman v Superman is now Superman Returns. Meaning that Superman dies, and then Man of Steel 2, Superman Returns, or Justice League 1 would be Superman Returns. If this is reality, and if this isn't some sort of flashpoint paradox, the course that we're on will literally be Suicide Squad in the past, but also Suicide Squad in the present, then Wonder Woman in the past, but also Wonder Woman in the present, and then Justice League in the past, but Justice League in the present, but also Justice League in the future. All of this ends with the Justice League going from the future back to the past, and then ending in the present with Justice League Part 2. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that's where we're at right now. And it's all because of Zack Snyder. Thank you, Zack Snyder. Thank you to the cast and crew of Batman v Superman: Dawn of Justice. And thank you to all of those DC comic fans out there. Support the film. We're out of here.